What's going on, ladies and gents? Cerebro here for T3G, and today we're finally doing my home theater PC build. And what I'm doing here is kind of our favorite thing to do. We're combining some new with some old to make everything hot. And if you remember, I had a server that ended up going into the deep cool. I actually disassembled it, put in the 970s, you guys remember. But this stuff actually turned out to still be good. So I still have the ASUS board. It is probably the last ASUS product I'm ever going to run. It's the P6X580 premium board. So it is a top end board from its time. I've got the Cooler Master, holy crud, cooling system here, and I'm going with 12 gigs of pretty much standard 2 gigs. 3 of them are Kingston, and the other 3 are ELPIDA. I don't know what that is, but anyway, they're from upgraded systems, so like systems that came with 2 gigs that I ended up putting in 4 gigs in. So that's how I ended up with these. So I figured I'd get the most out of this, so with the tri-channel RAM here, and get 12 in here. So those are all matching 10600 PC3 sticks. So this is already pre-built because, I mean, if you see me put on a PC or CPU and put on a RAM, you've seen it 1,000 times. We're using, for mass storage, 1.5 Western Digital Black. Again, another thing that came out of a system that got upgraded. And then I've got a GT220 here. Same story. So all stuff that I had out of systems that were upgraded in one way or another. Like I said, this is just for my home theater, so I don't need anything crazy for gaming. It's got HDMI, so I can hook it up to the 50-inch, and that's really the main thing. On the new side of things, we're putting it in the the Cooler Master half XB Evo. I love this thing. You guys will see in the review, this thing is amazing. But yeah, I'm going to have so much fun putting this together. We have, from our Tiger Direct closing, an OCZ Vertex 460A 240 gig, and that's going to be our boot drive, obviously. And then we also have this Thermaltake TR2 500 watt. Don't need too much stuff. Again, I'm not really running any high-end stuff, so I just need something to keep this on, keep it running. I actually think I got this for clearance from Fry's as well. So this was also from Fry's because this was the cheapest I could find it at Fry's because no one else had it this cheap. The only thing I don't have at the moment is the top fan for the grill here. It is raised. This thing, I kind of measured it out. It's gonna be close. I'm thinking it's gonna fit, but I'm gonna be at Fry's tomorrow, so I'm gonna pick up a 140 or 240 mil on this to try it out and hopefully have it work and have it be just thin enough to fit. It'll be close, but we'll see. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the parts. Let's get into it.
Staples closeout.
That's what it was. So that's pretty much it, ladies and gents. We got this bad boy hooked up. We got the post beat. Now it's just a matter of getting it installed. And I'm thinking we're going to go with maybe Windows 7 and get that free Windows 10 upgrade, which is coming out pretty soon. Watch for that video as well coming up. And the only other thing I got to do with this bad boy is get a couple 80mm fans for the back. And I got to get the 240 for the big boy up here. We're pretty sure. We're about 70% sure that it's going to fit. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. But yeah, I'm sure we'll have an annotation, you know, because this will be edited tomorrow because it's late. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up for me. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed, and then check out t3gtech.com, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. We still have our Facebook contest, so make sure you guys check that out. But as always, I have been Cerebro for T3G, signing off.